Hi, I'm Vincent from HEGA-Medical. We are a German company and manufacturer of cleaning and rinsing guns for medical equipment. Our core business is the production of rinsing and cleaning guns for medical purposes, like the CSSD department. With our devices, you can clean any medical equipment or instrument. The attachment is really easy. You take one of the adapters and just put it on the gun, and it doesn't fall off. There's no screwing necessary, and it's possible to use them up to 10 bar with water or air. Our set comes with 8 attachments for different purposes. For example, you have here the Luer lock system to rinse them off from detergent. If you want to clean out bottles or any other cavities, you have here our bottle cleaner with a different spray pattern on the top and a silicone gasket to pretend water coming to the direction of the employee. This device is to suck water out of, for example, a bottle or something. The water goes this way and there's a suction coming that way. So the dirty material is going with this flow and goes right into the sink. Our guns run with water, air and demineralized water. We also have a brush kit to clean medical equipment. You can connect the brushes to the Dina Nova rinsing gun just by putting on with a little bit of pressure. The brushes are deconstructible by hand and are sterilizable because the thread is out of stainless steel and the tip is made out of nylon. Additionally, we sell washing pistols with different spray patterns for bigger surfaces like sinks, autopsy tables and laboratories. Our guns are possible to order with stainless steel hose or also PVC reinforcement hoses. Our guns are known from the Central Sterile Supply Department and are used in the CSSD for manual reprocessing or rinsing. Our guns run with a pressure up to 10 bar and are continuously adjustable over the handle. For further information, please visit our website hega-medical.com.